Hello children, welcome to my channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see a very important topic for class 8, lesson number 5, that is expansion formulas. This topic is very important and it is a little bit difficult, but today I will tell you some tricks to remember how to solve each and every sum. So stay tuned in my channel. Don't forget, we'll see the first expansion formula. If ever the question comes in the form of x plus a, always remember to write x in cursive letters. So to avoid confusions, multiplied by x plus b. If ever it comes in the form of x plus a into x plus b. Now what is this form? How we will recognize in the questions? It comes in a different type of question comes in the exam. So how you will recognize this? If the first term means the first number is same and the second number, that is a and b, it has been different, so we will be using this formula. I'll tell you how to use this formula. See, if ever the question comes as a plus 2 multiplied by a minus 1, understanding children? So what is the variable in this? A. Both are same, and plus 2 minus 1, they are different, so we will be using the formula as x plus a into x plus b. Understanding children? Now let's get into the what is the formula for this. So the formula for x plus a into x plus b, formula will be x square plus a plus b. What we have done? X square, 2x are there, so we will written x square plus a plus b. We have to add both these terms, and what is the variable in this? X plus a b. We have to multiply the variables. I'll let it clear once again. We have to do x square plus a plus b. We have to add the variables, and we have to add a plus b and multiply x, and then a plus b we have to do addition over here, and here we have to multiply it. If we have written a b together, it is being multiplied. We'll see the questions to clear the concept. So coming to the problem set 5.1, first question. First question is given as a plus 2 and a minus 1. So we will be using the formula of x plus a into x plus b. Understanding children? So what is the formula in this? Always while solving this type of sums, try to say out the formulas loudly so that it gets remembered. So what is the formula in this? I'll tell you now how to do this in simple trick. We will be writing as x square plus a plus b term you have to write here. What is a variable in this? A. Understanding children? Instead of x, what is a variable over here? A. Understanding? Plus what we have to do? We have to multiply a and b. A multiplied b. Now we will put the values inside this. A, we have to write this a square plus, now we have to add this to plus 2 minus 1. That means 2 minus 1. And here also 2, 1. Understanding children? So stay tuned in my channel, see further questions also to get the concept clear. I will be solving each and every sum for this problem set. Understanding children? Now we have to write the value for this. This will give you the answer as a square plus 2 minus 1 will become 1 and a, and plus 2 ones will give you the answer as 2. So this way the first question has been solved. P plus 8 and p minus 3. So how we will do this? We will put on the formula x square plus a plus b p plus a b. Understanding children? Always try to say the formulas so that you get used to the formula. So we will put here p. Here it will be with the signs we have to write plus 8 minus 3. Here also plus 8 and minus 3. Fine children. Now we will open this. This will become p square plus 2 signs are there, so we need to put that number in the bracket. I have already told you. Plus 8 minus 3 will give you the answer as plus 5 p plus, this will give you the answer as 8 3s are 24 and plus and minus. Answer is minus. Understanding children? Now we will open the bracket. So it will become p square. Plus and plus will give you the answer as plus 5p. Plus and minus will give you the answer as minus 20. Understanding children? So this way third question has been solved. 13 plus x and 13 minus x. Now you can see something resemblance is there in the question. This term is in plus and this is in minus. So the formula for this will be a plus b. It is in this form. And next second term is a minus b. It is in this form. Understanding children? So it will give you the answer as a square minus b square. You can directly do this sum. So we will put directly in this a square minus b square. Understanding children? What is the a value in this? The first number 13, and what is the b value in this? X. Now we have to do 13 square will give you the answer as 169 minus x the whole square will give you the answer as x square. Understanding children? We'll see the fifth question. 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 5y. What is the x term in this? It is 3x. Not only x, it has a number along with it, that is 3x. So we will take that number also. We'll write the first formula, x square. A plus b x. Now what is x in this? Understanding children? It is 3x. That's why I have been solving each and every sum. No sums are same to one another. So we will be solving each and every sum. So stay tuned in my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends also and help them in their studies, children. So we'll see now this a square plus a plus b x plus a b. So this was our formula. Now we'll put the values. So here it will be 3x, here it will be 4y and 5y. Understanding children? 4y plus 5y, and here also it will be 4y and 5y. I hope you are understanding children. Now we have to do the expansion. We have to open the brackets. So 3 square means we have to double it. 3 square will give you the answer as 9. That means 3 3s are. Understanding? And x square will give you the answer as x square. Understanding children? Plus 4y plus 5y. Same variables are there. Variable means y. They both are same. So 4 plus 5 will give you the answer as 9y. We have done the addition, so only y will be there, not y square. This is in bracket and we have 3x along with it. Plus 4 5s will give you the answer as 20. Now here y is been multiplied. If something is been multiplied, it becomes double. So y will become y square. I hope you are understanding children. Again I am saying, if you find any difficulty, write me in the comment box. Now the last step. 9x square plus 9 3s will give you the answer as 27, and we'll arrange the variables xy plus 20y square. So this way, this was a little difficult sum. So this way we have done question number 5. We'll see question number 6. So this is same as question number 5. So we will revise this once again. Now we will put the formulas. What is the formula? X square plus AB. What is the x value in this? 9x. Understanding children? Plus AB. So we will put the values. This will be 9x. Here it will be minus 5 plus 3t. So we will write that minus 5t plus 3t. Understanding children? Here also what it will become? We have put the formulas properly so it becomes easy to fill in the numbers. And 3t. Understanding children? Now we will open the brackets. 9 square we have to do. We have to double the number. So 9 9s will give you the answer as 81, and x doubled means x square. Plus, always write this number inside the bracket because here what we have 9x. So minus 5 plus 3 will give you the answer as minus 2t. Don't forget the variable also. Here also we will put this number inside the bracket. 5 3s are, bracket means always multiplication. So 5 3s are 15, and t also we have to multiply. We have done 5 3s are multiplication we have done. So for t also we have to multiply. It will become t square. Understanding children? What is the sign it is having? Minus 5. I hope you are understanding children. Now we will open all the brackets. 81x square plus and minus will become minus, and we have to multiply this number also. 9 2s will give you the answer as 18tx. Here also plus and minus will become minus 15t square. Understanding, children? So this way keep practicing the sums so that you get used to the sums. Now